स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच। Start. This petition has been filed under Article 227 of the Constitution of India seeking quashing of order dated 15/3/2021 passed by the Civil Judge (Senior Division Patiala) in execution application number 654 of 2018 (CNR number PBPT 02002959 whereby the sale of assets of petitioner was ordered without taking into consideration the pendency of the application under order 9th rule 13 CPC, which has been filed for setting aside the ex parte decree dated 17/8/2017 stop para. It has been submitted by counsel for the petitioner that the decree sought to be executed was passed when the petitioner along with all his brothers was in custody in connection of a criminal case stop. Therefore the petitioner was not served as per the law stop, nor had the petitioner got an opportunity to present his case at the relevant time because of being in jail stop para. However, after coming out of the jail, the petitioner had moved an application under order 9th rule 13 CPC for setting aside the ex parte proceedings stop. The said application is being repeatedly adjourned because the respondent/decree holder has been seeking time to file reply to the application stop. Consequently, the same is pending for about 2 years now stop para. Therefore, it is submitted by counsel for the petitioner that on the one hand, the executing court is proceeding further with the execution, and on the other hand, the application filed by the petitioner for setting aside the ex parte decree is not getting decided because of the fault of the respondents/decree holder stop. Counsel for the petitioner has relied upon the judgment of this court rendered in the case of Davinder Pal Singh versus Narinder Pal Singh (P and H) to contend that the execution should not be proceeded further till the final decision is taken on the application filed by the judgment debtor under order 9th rule 13 CPC stop para. Having considered the case and having perused the judgment cited by counsel for the petitioner, this court finds substance in the argument of counsel for the petitioner stop. Needless to say that the ultimate aim of the process of the court is to ensure that the justice done to the parties stop. Sticking to the technicalities of law may hamper justice in certain situations stop. Therefore, in case of option with the court to choose between the technicalities and the substantial justice, it is the option for substantial justice which should prevail stop. Decision on the application filed by the petitioner under order 9th rule 13 CPC is a step towards ensuring that the petitioner gets the justice by presenting his case before the court stop. Hence, it would be appropriate if the trial court is directed to decide the application moved by the petitioner within a time-bound manner, and till then the proceedings before the executing court are kept in abeyance stop para. Accordingly, the present petition is disposed of with a direction to the trial court stop para to decide the application moved by the petitioner under order 9 rule 13 CPC within a period of 6 months from the date of receipt of certified copy of this order stop para till the date of decision of the said application, the proceedings before the executing court are ordered to be kept in abeyance stop para. Since the appeal filed by the insurance company has been dismissed by this order, therefore, let the statutory amount deposited by the insurance company before this court be transferred to the concerned tribunal for disbursing the same to the claimants and adjusting the same towards the payment of the compensation stop over.